In life, accidents can happen at any time, especially fires. When flames break out, we must stay calm and know the right way to respond. Today, let's look at different situations to see which actions are correct and which are wrong. When a fire suddenly happens, the common reaction is that we panic and run around the house. When we panic, we may fall, inhale too much smoke, and risk our lives. We must stay calm to find a safe exit. But if we run and hide under the bed, or in the kitchen with the door closed, or inside a closet, is also not allowed. Hiding in those places allows smoke and flames to get in quickly. Hiding in enclosed spaces makes it hard for rescuers to find you, and carries a high risk of suffocation.
All of those are wrong. So what should we do?
Take a wet towel, cover your nose and mouth, bend low, crawl close to the floor, and run out the emergency exit.
Why do we do that? And if it's sudden, where do we get water?
Because when a fire is large, the smoke rises high. A wet towel will filter some smoke, and crawling low helps us breathe longer. As for water, go to the bathroom sink, or at worst, once we have escaped from the house, we absolutely should not go back into the house to retrieve toys, phones, money. Objects are not more important than our lives. Absolutely do not go back. When you are in a room and want to open the door to go out, first we should check the door with the back of your hand before opening. If the door is hot, do not open it. If the door is hot, it means there is a lot of fire smoke on the other side. Opening it will let smoke into the room.
If we can't get out and smoke fills the room causing suffocation, what then?
That's a good question. When trapped in a room, we should block the door gaps with wet towels, stay low, call the fire department, and wave a towel or flashlight out the window. We do this to keep the door gaps sealed, to reduce smoke entry, and to signal our position so rescuers can find us quickly.
When a fire spreads quickly, should we try to put out a large fire with bare hands or a dry towel?
Absolutely not. Large fires require professional firefighters. Only attempt to extinguish if the fire is small and you have a fire extinguisher and know how to use it.
If these electrical devices catch fire, can we use water to put them out?
That's a very silly question, friend. Absolutely not. Use water to extinguish fires caused by electrical devices. Because water conducts electricity and can cause electrocution, turn off the power if it is safe, or use an appropriate fire extinguisher. After escaping from a room or from the house, you should close the door behind you, if possible, because that limits the spread of fire. Closing the door slows the spread of fire and smoke, buying more time for others. When a small fire occurs in the house or room, use a fire extinguisher for small fires if you know how to use it. A spray extinguisher used correctly can put out a small fire. Do not take risks if you don't know how. When we live in a high-rise apartment, we should not use the elevator to escape. Because the elevator can get stuck or lose power, always use the stairs or emergency exit. You should use the stairway or designated emergency exits to leave the building. That will be safer, with less risk of getting trapped or encountering dense smoke. Among the correct situations above, which one impressed you the most? Please leave a comment below the video and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to continue watching other skill videos.